Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how you can fix Steam won't log in with your correct email and a password. So the first thing what I suggest to do here, if you're trying to sign in with your email address, that's the reason why you cannot log in. Put your nickname and then password and look if the problem persists after that, because this is the most common issue. People trying to log in with their emails, but you need to log in with your username. So keep in mind that. But if this is not the issue, we can proceed with other steps. So the first step what I suggest to do here is to go to a steamstat.us and look if the Steam servers is not down in your particular region. And if it's down, you just need to wait. You cannot do nothing about it. Usually it takes about 1 hour to completely fix. But if the servers are completely running, then we can proceed with other steps. First thing what I suggest to do here is to go to settings. Then you need to go to a date and time system or time and language, then date and time, and make sure set time automatically is on, and also make sure to press sync now. Then what you need to do here is to go to network and internet and go to your internet connection and make sure you're not connected to any of the VPNs here, because sometimes it can be the issue as well. Other thing that you need to do here is to write Steam on search, right click, open file location, right click again, open file location, and then here you should see Steam exe. Press on the blank space here and copy the path. Once you copy the path, then you need to go to firewall, Windows Defender Firewall, allow an app or feature to Windows Defender Firewall, and here you need to look for Steam. Probably should be Steam with private and public, and if you cannot find Steam, you just need to press allow another app, press browse, paste the path, and add that particular exe, Steam exe here, and press OK. For me, is already on the list, but for you it can be different as well. And if this do not work, then try this. Open up browser, go to Steam, then you need to press sign in. Then you need to press help, I can't sign in. And then you need to select I forgot my Steam name or password. And then put your email address. If you do not remember email address, then just put the random email address, okay? And email verification code will be sent to your particular email. If it is not the case, then you need to press I no longer have access to this email or did not receive a code. And then you need to fill out this form here. Also, I recommend you on anything else should know about the issue you are having. Put, if you bought some games here, put the names of the games that you have on that particular account, and also put the billing information. Just pull out your bank details and do screenshots and put it here and send here, and then they respond to you as quickly as possible with a solution. So that's pretty much it.